Welcome students to your spelling class. Again, today is Monday, September 21st, 2020. Remember that last week we were working with our spelling list number 24. So today we are going to complete the exercises that are from those pages from that list. Remember that our list, you can find it on page 46 of your books. So there you can find the list number 24. And today we are going to work with page 46 and 47. Okay, so here we are on page 46 of our books. Open your spelling book on page 46, please. The exercise number 1 is lost letters. So our instruction says complete these spelling words by adding the missing letters. And here we have some words that are missing with some letters inside a word. And the first one we have present. So you're going to look in your list for some words that you know that they are the ones that are missing with that letters, with those letters. So in our list we're going to look for one page and one word that is missing with those letters. In this list, we are going to look for the word presence. So the letters that are missing are C-E. Glen. Glen what? Glens. So the letters that are missing are C-E. Ellery. Larry. Celery. Yes. Naughty. Notice. Distance. Scenery. Very good. So here you have in each one of those words we're missing the letter C and the letter E. Next exercise on page 47. Read and think. Circle the misspelled spelling word and write it correctly on the line. So here you have circle each one of the words. And what you're going to do is that you're going to write it correctly in the line. Here the incorrect word is the word capital. Why? Because we write capital C-A-P-E-T-A-L. That's how the word is written in a correct way. And then number 2, cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. What is the problem in the number 3? I see that cupboard is written in a correct way. Yes, each letter is correct, but the thing is that if it's a name of a place, we write it with capital letter. So cupboard, coconut, cotton with double T, and cafeteria. So you're going to write the correct word in each one of the lines. Next exercise. Exercise 3. Exercise 3, ABC order. Number the spelling words in alphabetical order. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different words. Celebrate, calendar, prints, and practice. Which one is the first word? Calendar. Very good. Which one is the second word? Celebrate. Very good. Which one is the third word? Print or practice? Practice. Very good. And the last word is the word prints. Now the next exercise is about super syllables. Continue on the same page 47. So we are going to clap. To count how many syllables each word has. Calculator. So it has calculator. 4 syllables. So you're going to do the same with all of them. Participate has 4 also. Icicle has 3. Icicle, because we don't say in another way. In recess is 2. So 2 syllables. The last exercise on page 47, words and their meaning. So match the word to the definition. Remember that we always have some extra words. So you're going to cross with a line the correct word with the correct definition. And that was everything for today's spellings class. I hope you understood what you have to develop in each one of the exercises. And I see you until next time. Keep safe at home. Blessings from the Lord. Bye.